In the last week, Ethereum and Bitcoin have lost prominence in the market for digital asset investment products to cryptocurrencies like XRP. Additionally, Dizer Capital's founder, Yasin Mabarak, provided strong arguments for Wall Street firms to apply for an XRP spot ETF in the U.S. But will that cause the price of XRP to skyrocket? The XRP Labs developed Sum wallet is one of the most popular ones for gaining access to the XRP ledger. On Monday, XRP Labs revealed significant updates to the Sum wallet, including a complete rebranding from Sum to Zaman. The most recent update, though, goes beyond a name and identity makeover for the brand. As an alternative, it's a big step. Developed on top of the XRP ledger by the XRP Labs team to integrate the Zoho network chain. With the use of Zoho's smart contract capability, developers may now create decentralized applications. The recently released Zaman wallet is available to XRP users through their respective app stores. The Zaman team is notably pushing the update by using a staggered deployment strategy and randomly choosing which consumers will get the update during a week. The ability to easily transition between the XRP and Zoho networks is one significant update that XRP Labs implemented. Users can now transact on both networks using the same R address, according to the team's official statement. The most recent method increases consumers' flexibility and provides consistency when they move between networks. By doing this, consumers won't be confused by having to utilize distinct addresses on the various networks. Advanced Zoho features are also accessible to Zaman users, like hooks, which fuels the network's smart contracts. In the meantime, there is a longer option for account naming in the new wallet. Better organization is now possible, as users can define their account name with up to 64 characters. All things considered, XRP Labs thinks the most recent improvements offer a better user experience. If the new network gains traction, it further prepares the wallet to incorporate more Zoho-specific features. While some fear that Zoho's early success and XRP Labs' increased focus will take away from the main XRP, others contest this. Weedsay Wind, the creator of XRP Labs, stated that if Zoho realizes its full potential, XRP will gain overall. To be the first to know about new updates, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Regarding the most recent events concerning XRP, while the top players in the market saw unprecedented profit-taking sell-offs, XRP saw notable inflows. To be more precise, XRP saw large inflows, while the major players in the market saw exceptional sell-offs driven by profit-taking. The European asset manager CoinShares, which focuses on cryptocurrency, documented this phenomenon in a recent study. The trajectory of money coming into and going out of digital asset investment products over the previous week was covered in detail in the study. The report states that the recent trend of inflows into cryptocurrency investment products has changed. It reported little withdrawals totaling $16 million. This change follows an incredible 11 weeks of steady inflows. Even with the withdrawals, overall trading activity remained strong and above average for the first half of the year. In particular, the weekly total was $3.6 billion, which was significantly less than the $1.6 billion annual average. The survey also noted that, in terms of regional outflow, the United States saw a noteworthy movement of $18 million. A slight outflow of $10 million in digital asset investment products was also observed in Germany. As a counterpoint, though, Canada and Switzerland contributed steady inflows of $6.9 million and $9.1 million, respectively. According to analysts, the inconsistent regional flows point more toward profit-taking than a fundamental shift in public opinion toward the asset class. When it comes to asset class outflows, Bitcoin faced the brunt, losing the most money at $33 million. In parallel, there were $0.3 million in small withdrawals from short Bitcoin products. Similarly, Avalanche and Ethereum encountered similar difficulties, with withdrawals of $1 million and $4.4 million, respectively. Investor interest in altcoins surged, defying the general trend. With XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Chainlink emerging as the main benefactors, it drew inflows totaling $21 million. $10.6 million, $2 million, $3 million, and $2.7 million were all secured by the digital assets. XRP has received $3.6 million in digital asset investments so far this month and $17 million this year. Additionally, the fraud technique entails producing scams technique entails making phony X links that lead visitors to posts from fraudulent accounts while purporting to be from authentic accounts. False X links that send users to posts from fraudulent accounts while appearing to be from legitimate accounts. Notably, con artists create connections that, upon initial inspection, seem real and trustworthy, emulating posts from reliable profiles. However, visitors are redirected to a post from the XRP Services account by X when they click on this link. Using this gap, scammers can construct connections that, at a glance, appear to be from reputable crypto-focused platforms. XRP Services highlights that X is accountable for this redirection, as the platform dynamically modifies the account name in the URL to match the post ID. Scammers are currently using this to pose as well-known cryptocurrency exchanges or initiatives. The culprits use the post ID from their scam post to make fake airdrop notices. They then affix this ID to the profiles of respectable companies like Binance, Chainlink, and others to create the impression of authenticity. To claim the fictitious incentives, these con artists may request that customers transmit XRP or other cryptocurrencies to a specific address or input their private keys and passwords. The XRP Services team expressed shock and emphasized how serious the issue was. At X's lack of protective measures. The tweet proposes that X should indicate that it could not locate the post by displaying an error notice, rather than secretly sending people to fake accounts. The group advised users to constantly double-check the URL in their browser after viewing a specific message and to proceed with caution when clicking on links. By taking this easy yet important precaution, investors can avoid becoming victims of these frauds and save possible financial losses. The XRP community has seen more than its fair share of scams, and strangely, the perpetrators always take advantage of a gap in some well-known platforms. The community successfully unearthed a deepfake fraud film featuring Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse last month. The footage was still available on the video sharing website weeks later, prompting concerns about the measures taken to take it down. The cryptocurrency community was ecstatic when Elon Musk bought X, formerly Twitter, as one of his main goals was to remove bots that promoted scams from the network. The issue is still there, more than a year later. Now for the day's main query, what will be the effect on the price of XRP, and why will Wall Street firms consider applying for an XRP spot ETF in the US? Wall Street firms are considering registering for an XRP spot ETF in the United States. What impact will this have on the price of XRP? To be the first to know about new updates, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Regarding the most recent events concerning XRP, Mubarak recently tweeted that Wall Street firms ought to take a risk and investigate the unexplored possibility of an exchange-traded fund investing directly in XRP. He stated that given the already claimed first-mover advantage for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, they should carefully consider such a move. In his strategic analysis of the XRP market, Mubarak emphasized the benefits of an XRP spot ETF for Wall Street funds. Mubarak observed that there was considerable reluctance on the part of institutions to obtain regulated positions in XRP. He emphasized how quickly the market reacted to a fictitious internet post concerning BlackRock's application for an XRP spot ETF. He thinks there is a clear indication of demand for the XRP ETF given the significant price impact on XRP. As previously mentioned, during the false XRP ETF registration, XRP unexpectedly surged from 66 cents to over 73 cents in less than 30 minutes. Second, Mubarak emphasized that no institution has yet to apply for an XRP spot ETF, in contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum. He pointed out that prospective market leaders have an open field. He also mentioned that the Wall Street Fund would benefit strategically from being the first to file. Moreover, Mubarak said registering for an XRP spot ETF can be risky and difficult. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission following the court decision on XRP. The founder of Dizer Capital commented, "It would be very interesting to watch how the SEC would respond." In particular, he challenged institutional funds with significant capitalization to think about filing an application for an XRP ETF and defying the SEC's rejection. He claimed that, in light of the court's decision that XRP is not a security, there would be significant legal developments in the wake of such a denial. Furthermore, Mubarak maintained that an XRP spot ETF has a strong risk-to-reward ratio. Specifically, he said that the possibility of the SEC avoiding more legal disputes might be favorable to the adoption of an XRP ETF. In the end, Mubarak sees a situation where an authorized XRP spot ETF sets off a snowball and avalanche effect in the market. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Please be sure to hit the notification bell, like the video, and remember to subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by spreading the word about this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's get this news out there, guys. Don't miss any of our articles if you are a serious enthusiast of cryptocurrencies. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news. It affects the community as a whole.